Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, unless you live under a rock, you know that Tesla had absolutely monster move with earnings and all the volume that occurred. But when the dust has settled, I want to map out a couple of key technical levels that I'll personally be keeping an eye on and that carry quite a bit of significance from a trading perspective. Keyword being trading. I get it. If you're a long-term investor, then what I talk about here really doesn't matter to you. But if you are any form of a trader, then to me, these are levels, and I don't want to come across like either of these are great discoveries on my part, because they're not. Anybody that understands charts, uses charts, has taken notice of these areas. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels, wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And the first key level that I believe a whole lot of people are watching is this little trend line here that has formed in the bullish perspective. So you're going to have all sorts of people watching that, from longs to shorts and everybody in between, wondering, can this level continue to hold? Because if the price comes down there and breaks below it, especially a high volume break, am I saying that that's sending it down there to close the gap? I'm not saying that, but from a trading perspective, there's definitely quite a bit of room to wiggle and put together some profitable trade plans, because the next level of support technically not until down at the lows of today, around $618. So again, from a trading standpoint, there's certainly quite a bit of wiggle room here to make something work. Now on the flip side of things, and this is definitely the area that literally, if you're just a very beginner to the charts, first off, nothing wrong with that. We all start off there. But my point is, hopefully this is even abundantly clear to you as a resistance level right up here at $650. Several times today, the price got right up around that area between $648 to $650 and can never quite push through. So everybody's going to be watching that level, wondering, including the shorts, because some stop losses are probably being hit up there above that level. But whole lot of people, if that price breaks, how much more of a breakout is going to play out there. So those are going to be the two key technical levels that I keep an eye on going into Friday. So let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.